Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get a custom ringtone. So first, we're going to go to zedge.net, or you can just search Zedge on Google. And next, we're going to find the song you want, and then you're going to click download. It might take a while for it to download, so you can just wait. Yeah, we're just waiting. This is kind of boring. Waiting, and then it'll finally done. You're going to click download, and then you're going to go to that bit at the top, and you're going to click on it. You're going to click export. You're going to click save to files. Then you're going to save it to your files. Then you're going to go to GarageBand, make a new project, choose keyboard, and then go to the brick wall, select the loop sign, and then browse items from files app. And then choose that song, and it might take a while to load. And then you take and drag it into the thing, and then it's gonna play music like this. And then you exit. It doesn't matter if it's still doing the swirly thing. You click share, then you click ringtone, and you name it whatever you want to name it. I'm naming mine Miku Uiu because I already have something named Miku. But you can do this with whatever song you find on Zedge, or really any MP3. Then we're going to go to clock just to demonstrate it. We're going to set a 5-second timer for Miku Uiu, and then start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we're vibing. Woohoo! Vibing. Let's just vibe for a second. Okay, bye guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe. Bye!